Hey guys, welcome to Fit After 50. Welcome to the basement. My name is Paul. As always, I'm taking you through today's workout. We're continuing to work down the body, so we're doing individual body parts. Today we're working on the arms, triceps and biceps. Just a couple of different exercises. It should be pretty quick. For today's workout, we're using dumbbells. I'm using a set of 30s and a set of 15s. They may be a little light for a couple of the exercises, a little heavy for some of the other ones. Whatever it is, make sure you challenge yourself and push yourself to within maybe 2 or 3 repetitions of complete failure. That's what we're gunning for today. We just got one tricep exercise. We're going to do 3 sets for it. Then we're going to do a burnout set. So basically 2 exercises. Same thing for the biceps. 1 exercise of 3 sets and 1 burnout set. For the triceps, we're going to get down on the floor very soon here, and we're going to start off with that. Guys, I just want to remind you, these are obviously not the only exercise that we can do for our arms. I can always say, what is the best exercise? I don't know you. You know, some people have injuries. I'm 55. We're all older. The ones that people that mostly watching this channel are usually a little bit older, right? So we have different niggles and different injuries. So I can always say you should do this over this because I don't know what kind of conditioning you have. Anyway, for today's workout, we're doing some skull crushers, and then we're gonna finish off with some close grip benching, basically. If that doesn't work for you, I'm just here to try to motivate you to get an exercise done. I can always be very specific on the kind of exercise that's gonna work for you. All right, that's enough talking. There's gonna be a chapter. You can just skip to the workout. I'm sorry, I talked so much today. Let's get down on the ground for some skull crushers. I'm doing these with 30s, and from experience, these are going to be relatively heavy for me. So I don't expect too many repetitions. You know what? If you can, do something heavy exercises and low repetitions, I should say, will build a lot of strength over building a lot of muscle. And we're always looking to build more strength. God, I can't talk today. Anyway, let's get started. Arms up, going skull crushers. So the dumbbell is gonna come behind you. Try to keep your elbows as still as possible and pointing not straight up, but a little bit behind you. So that as you grab this dumbbell, if it's laying right here, try to keep those elbows still. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, up, back down. Just a short little tap on the ground and back down. Up, down, keep going. Up, down, keep it up. Up, down, up, and keep it up. I got 3 more in me, I think. 1, 2, 1 more, and 3. Yes, I am always working out with you. So yes, these are tough for me. Let's take a little break. We'll skip to set number 2. We're doing 3 sets of these. A very, very good tricep exercise. Like I said, keep everything tucked in. Those elbows come back a little bit, and you just keep on pumping them away. Do as many as you can. If for some reason you cannot do these, you can do kickbacks. You can use resistance band. If you're doing kickbacks, a resistance band will be much better. So kickback will be if you're standing up and the band is behind, actually in front of you, and you're pulling it with the tricep, right? So whenever you're extending your elbow like this forward, you are always working your tricep. And whenever you're bringing your elbow forward this way, you're always going to be working your bicep. It's always got to help, regardless of the type of exercise that you're doing. So we got done with set number 1. Let's go set number 2, same exercise. Let's rip on as many reps as we can. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and up, down, push it. Down, control that weight, up, down. Like I said, these are heavy for me, but I like challenging myself, and that's what I'm doing right now. Up, down, keep going, up. I got 1 more in me, I think. Let's squeeze out 1 more. Up, and slow on the way down. Whew. Oh yeah, I'm gonna feel this a lot. Nice isolation movement. So you can, if you did back today or chest, you can kind of throw in a little arm workout. Sometimes we do back and chest. You can throw in a couple sets of arms. Nice short little workout. This is gonna be about 10 minutes long. Most of it is spent talking, so resting, right? Nice and easy. Guys, I have to remind you, workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. Here's my little ad. I have never missed an upload. So consistency is key. Just like I like to be consistent in my work, I am consistent with my uploads. Mondays and Thursdays. It's gonna be 6 years in October, I think. I said 7 in the last video. I think it's gonna be 6 years in October. we have never missed an upload, so make sure you come back for fresh workouts every Monday and every Thursday of all varieties. Some are weight workouts, some are HIIT workouts. We mix it up here at Fit After 50. You guys ready to go? Last and final set. Let's go. Up. Up. Put that weight down for just a split second. Up. But don't take the tension off your tricep. Up. Come on. I got 3 more, I hope. Ready? 1. 2. 1 more. And 3. And weights down. All right, then we got 1 more final burnout set. The preview is up on the screen right now. We're gonna get to that with a short little break. So not as much as we've been taking before. So let's take 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lay down. Grab the same dumbbells that you were just using. Put them together. And we're just gonna press up. Ready? Up, down, up, down. Keep going until you can't go anymore. I don't want you dropping them on your chest, however. And up. Up. Close grip. Up. Feel the burn. Oh yeah. I got 3 more. 1, 2, last 1. Squeeze. Back down. Put the dumbbells away. Or at least put them down because you're gonna continue to use them. All right. Tricep work is done. Nice and easy. We are moving to the other part of the arm. The part that most of us like to work on. The part that we always say we want the biggest biceps. But if you actually want a lot of thickness in your arm, it's not the bicep you should work on, it is the tricep you should work on. But you know what? We gotta work on both, right? So that's what we're doing today. So the exercise here, it's gonna be a nice double supinated curl all the way through. I'm going to continue to use the 30s. They're gonna be somewhat heavy. I don't expect many repetitions, but I expect good effort. And that's what we're always aiming for. So let's grab them. I'm doing 3 sets of supinated curls. Open up like so, and you're just gonna curl up. Ready? 3, 2, 1, up, down. Beautiful. Up and down. Up. Keep it going. Keep it going. It's heavy for me. And down. Up. Got 3 more. Ready? 1. Come on. 2, 3. And weights down. Yes, it's pretty heavy. Try to keep the body English to a bare minimum, except maybe for the last 1 or 2 repetitions. You can cheat a little bit, it's okay. It's all right. Dang, gets a good pump going for my arms right now. It feels good. Whew. Let's take another 30 seconds or so. Give ourselves a nice little rest. Nice little rest. Did I say nice? I did say nice. Nice little rest. That burnout set is gonna be tough. So let's kind of relax these guys out. 2 more sets of the heavy dumbbells. You guys ready to go? All right, let's get those guns going. Here we go. Ready? Open up and let's go. Up. Relax. Up. Relax. Up. Slow it down. Up and down. Up and down. 3 more. Ready? 1. There we go. 2. 1 more. 3. Nice. Relax. Whew. 1 more set. Then we can kick these off to the side, grab the lighter weight, and burn it out. And it's gonna be a burnout, trust me, you gotta stick around. You gotta finish 1 more set before we get to that set though. So another 40 seconds, including the rest. You can do that. Let's keep moving. Give yourselves a hand before the arms fall off. Do it now because you might not be able to do it later. All right, last final set of our supinated curls. Grab those weights off the ground. If you have lighter weights, slow the repetitions down, make them challenging, nice slow negatives. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, up, slow, there we go, 1. I definitely don't have to count, and I doubt we're gonna get to double digits. Up, keep going, up, down, up, and down. All right, 3 more, ready? 1, down, 2, and down. 1 more, 3, and down. Put those weights down. I'll put them away later. Throw them on the ground. All right, nice short little break. Gonna grab the little baby weights, which for me are 15s, which right now, truthfully, I'm not gonna feel like baby weights. All right, enough talking. We're gonna burn these suckers out. So one arm is gonna stay isometric pump, and the other one is gonna do the work, and then we're gonna switch it up. Preview should be or was on the screen. You guys ready to go? Both arms up. Pump up 1, 1, 2, let's go for 10 reps. Ready? 3, 4, 5, come on, 6, 7, let it burn, 8, 9, 10, switch, this one stays still, 1, 2, 3, we're not done, 4, keep it up, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, switch, going for 10 reps, 1, 2, come on, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, switch, 1, 2, hold it, 3, let it burn, 4, come on, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, come on, 1 more round, 3rd set, ready, go, 1, 2, 1, 2, come on, 1, here's 6, 4 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, last 10, ready, let's go, 1, 2, work with me, come on, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 more, and 10. Woo! Now, if you can, give yourself a hand. I told you it's not gonna be as pretty. Guys, my arms are burned out. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. If you're new here, welcome to the basement. My name is Paul. Workouts every Monday and every Thursday for almost 6 years right now. Come back for another workout. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, leave a comment down below if you like, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.